Discover hands-on writables and printables. Red activities are writables and printables. Select the blue tab. It will open the filter settings. Disable or enable categories, grades, and subjects here. Play and learn. Select a picture to play an activity. Select the red print icon if you want to print the page. Select the black pencil icon if you want to start writing. To draw, select the pencil and then select a color. To change the size of your pencil, select one of the smaller or larger circles. How is the picture different? To erase, select the pencil eraser. Great job! Select the blue arrow to start over. You're great!